My name is Catherine. I'm a finance person who deals with lots of data analysis for the purpose of business decision making.
My name is Shaida Binti Izaisham. I am a fresh graduate from accounting and I am now currently working as a tax assistant.
Hi, my name is Lim Sini, currently working as a HR executive in one of the HR consultation firm.
My name is Gawe, and currently I'm doing my master's study at the University of Malaya. And the reason why I wish to enroll into this course earlier is because I wish to venture into the world of data, and I believe data analytics will be one of the first steps for me to take on.
I was looking for a course to learn more about data analytics, and Fusionex Academy is the course I choose to fulfill my needs.
I am interested in pivoting my career into technology one day. However, I am not from IT background. Fusionex Data Analytics is especially interesting for me since the course made it easy for beginners like me to understand and follow through the course. Plus, there's also the practical part of it in the second day, and I get to apply and confirm my understanding with the trainer myself.
Before I get into data analysis, I didn't know anything about it. So after the course, actually I get to know what is data analysis and what is big data. And I found that this is a very huge piece of study. In future, if I have any chance, I would like to explore more about data analysis.
Before attending the 2-day training sessions, I was quite clueless about what I needed to know, or what is my knowledge level about data and big data. And thanks to the Fusionex Data Analytics certification course, I was able to shine and perform as a beginner by using the specialized platform from Fusionex, which is the giant platform.
I like the way Fusionex design the course. They design in a way that is very interesting and practical with a lot of business studies. It is very easy to understand and I don't feel difficult to follow up.
I love how Ning made it easy and less intimidating for us to understand by providing real-life examples throughout the course. Plus, she is very enthusiastic in teaching us, so the class felt fun and interesting throughout.
I remember clearly that what she kept on emphasizing was that every data has its meaning, and the analysis were very based on how we analyze and how we interpret them.
During the course, whenever we have any questions, she's very willing to share about her experience and give us some scenario for us to understand. And also, whenever we have any questions about data analysis, she's very willing to share about her experience.
I currently work in taxation, so I handle a lot of data daily. The course definitely helped me in analyzing data and doing graphical representation of this data. I also would like to pivot my career into technology, so I like to use the certificate into landing a job in data analytics one day.
Actually, I come across a lot of HR data and information, which actually I then use it very effectively. So if in future I can use my skill and knowledge in terms of data analysis to compile all this data, it will help me to understand further about HR market trend and help me to perform my work more effectively.
Through this training, I actually acquire a general concept of the data analytic processes. And knowing how to do the data analytic in a proper way is very important to ensure we have quality business analysis processes. I acquired these essential skills in these courses.
I am currently pursuing my master's study, and I hope that in the future, I'll be able to integrate what I had learned from the course to the application in other fields or industries such as pharmaceuticals or medicine to generate more insights for a better future.
Yes, definitely I would recommend to others because this course can let people to understand further about what is data analysis, and in future data analysis is one of the trend. So explore now instead of future.
Yes, of course. I love the course because it is very structured and systematic. I have a very positive learning experiences with them. They meet my expectations. The course content is relevant to my needs.
Absolutely, since I had a wonderful experience learning with Ning and Fusionex.
Besides having all the fun that you gain, getting yourself certified by Fusionex brings the meaning of you having high expertise in data, and you will get higher chances to be hired by many companies, including the MNCs and the local companies.
Yes, definitely. If I have time and also the course is something that I'm interested with, definitely I will take it.
Yes, if I were offered more opportunities in the near future. And Fusionex Academy is definitely my first choice in selecting the best training provider in data.
Should I have the chance, I would absolutely love to join other courses available since I believe I am in good hands with Fusionex in charge.